Hi, I'm Jenny Schuck. I teach yoga. I hope to offer you classes that feel natural and intuitive to your body, that open your eyes, and that make you have fun. I love studying how the body works. I spend hours on my mat studying the sensations within the tissues, the movement of the joints, the alignment of the bones, and the engagement and stretching of the muscles. Since you and I and all beings are so similar, perhaps you'll connect with the information from my practice. I teach a combination of Vinyasa yoga and held poses to study the functioning of the body. I use other tools too, like therapy balls and foam rollers. These help to warm and release the tissue layers and also help us learn from a tactile perspective. A few years ago, I got sick of getting these minor injuries that didn't require medical intervention, but that put my life on hold for a few days or more. Things like SI joint issues, pulled hamstrings, or back spasms. Things you might get from lifting something too heavy, even if it was with good posture, or even from weirdly closing the car door. So I developed this series of stabilizing exercises that strengthen and work the body into shape to prevent these injuries. What I ended up creating was this sturdy frame, highly functioning with the limberness of a yogi. I stand taller and I'm more confident in my ability to withstand the forces of everyday tasks. I study mostly asana, the poses, but yoga is more than asana. In my classes, I share the other limbs of yoga, including philosophy, pranayama, and meditation. I think that yoga is for everyone. All are welcome. Like anything, you start where you are, whether you're bendy or stretchy, angry or depressed, or full of anxiety. Yoga is not a competition. You never have to perform or reach a goal. If you're practicing with others, they're there in the spirit of community. They root you on. That's the way I run my classroom. Yoga is magical, but it's not magic. It's a really important part of my life, but yoga is no big deal. Our lives don't depend on it. My joy is inside my yoga practice. When I practice yoga, my joy comes out. I wish you peace, joy, and love.